Introducing APL Locksmiths. Our dedicated team of professional locksmiths are trained to carry out all aspects of locksmithing. APL are based in Stockport from our shop located on the A6, next to the McVitie's factory. If you have an emergency, we can be on site within 1 hour of your call, day or night. We offer a drop-in key cutting service and stock a wide range of products, including padlocks, safes, van locks and more. APL are a member of the Master Locksmiths Association and authorized installers for ulti and high-security products. In addition to traditional locksmithing services, APL also specializes in all aspects of vehicle locksmithing. Whatever your requirements, call APL now to speak to one of our friendly and experienced locksmiths.